Let's break down the top 5 rolling walkers brought to you by Rehabmart.com. Starting us off at number 5 is the Guardian Envoy 480 Deluxe Rollator from Medline. The most affordable rolling walker on this list, the Guardian avoids that typical hospital look with rose or blue color options. Its compact, lightweight design makes maneuvering in small spaces a breeze, then folds down to easily fit in the trunk of a compact car. The only consistent complaint we found was that the holes in the basket were too large to hold smaller objects. Next up at number 4 is the Veloped Tour All-Terrain Rollator from Trionic. The Veloped earns that all-terrain title with its rugged design and included rain cover intended to keep you on the move. It can even climb curves up to 5 inches tall. A simple push of a button on the telescopic stay allows you to lightly fold the Veloped to get through tight passages, while another button quickly folds the entire unit up for easy storage. All that said, the Veloped Tour is the most expensive rollator on this list. Number 3 brings us to the Excel TRANSLATOR Combo Transport Chair and Rollator from Medline. With the ability to easily shift from rollator to seat to transport chair, the TRANSLATOR is meant to adjust to your needs. And it does so while still being one of the most affordable and lightweight rollators on this list. Users regularly report how lightweight and easy to use the TRANSLATOR is, though some did report bumpiness over rough terrain. Taking the number 2 slot is the BRAVA rolling walker from COMODITA. The BRAVA's large rubber tires make for a smooth ride that's ideal even in small spaces. Designed for comfort both in use and transport, the BRAVA includes a padded carrying case. This comfort is extended to the widest walking area among the rollators on this list, though some users did report that extra width as a hindrance when navigating tight doorways. And finally, our pick for the number 1 slot goes to the RTL NITRO Euro-style rollator from Drive Medical. Its stylish, sturdy construction led to one customer referring to the NITRO as the Rolls-Royce of rollators. The NITRO comes in 3 different heights, tall, regular, and petite, each of which are easily adjustable to get the perfect fit. Finally, the NITRO keeps safety first by actually embedding the brake wiring within the frame to avoid trips, and its lightweight folding design makes transport a cinch.